Hey everybody, I'm out here walking today, and today I want to talk to you about dealing with holiday burnout. And so this next 10 days, actually, I'm going to be doing a series of short videos, so less than 5 minutes, and every day you will hear a tip on how to deal with holiday burnout. So today I'm going to give you just one extra tip, a bonus tip. And I was thinking about it today as I was getting ready to go for my walk. I was thinking about today how I didn't really want to walk because it's cold out here. It's in the 30s. It's about, I think, 32 degrees right now. And so I didn't want to go, and I was tired, and I just kind of wanted to stay home and watch a movie and snuggle up with my dog. But then I realized I really enjoy being outside, and I always feel better after I go out, and I enjoy exercising. And so that's what I want you to do right off as you're thinking about things about the holidays you don't like. Think about the things that you do like. So stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and keep posted this week and over the next 10 days as we talk about tips for dealing with holiday burnout. All right, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Bye-bye.